Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So Echo devices and Amazon Music are designed to work perfectly together. But sometimes Alexa just won't play your music. Maybe she says she can't find the song, or she plays something completely different. Or the music starts then stops. But don't really worry, this is usually a quick fix. Whether you are using an Echo Dot, Echo Studio or any Alexa enabled device. I will show you exactly how to troubleshoot Amazon Music issues on Echo in this video. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you want to check our Amazon Music default. Open the Alexa app on your phone, tap More, then go through Settings, Music and Podcasts, enter default services, make sure Amazon Music is selected. If another service is set as default, Alexa will try to use that instead. Then check your Amazon account on Echo. Make sure it's fully registered to the same Amazon account that has your Music Unlimited subscription. So in the Alexa app, go to Devices, Echo and Alexa, select your device, then check the basically user or registered user. If it's not you, deregister and re-register it to the correct account. You can also go and check your voice history. Go to Alexa app, go to More, Activity, Voice History, see what Alexa actually heard when you gave a music command. Sometimes she mishears, like try being more specific. Alexa play and give her like the full name of the song, also the artist on Amazon Music. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.